Now construction of a 4x4 magic square is far easier than the 3x3 magic squares because it contains small 16 digits, but it is not that lengthy. As you can see in this 3x3 magic square, you have to first of all select about its value, then according to the value you have to construct the center element, then the remaining numbers you have to plot using this pattern. So little bit lengthier or bigger method, and if you increase the number it will be more complicated. But for this you can say 4x4 magic square, you just need 16 numbers, only 16 numbers of any order. Now let's say for example I start with you can take any numbers. Suppose if I start from 21, that is after 20, so 21 to 36, because 60 numbers from 21 it will start to 36. So what you have to do, I will use a pencil because with the sketch pen I will not be able to, because I have to reshuffle and rearrange also. So with the help of pencil, because you will see how to make it. So I will write 21 to 36 numbers in the pairs of 4, starting from 21, 22, 23, 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. I hope so you can see with the help of this pencil if it is not like. Now this is just a first step, and now from this you have to construct, and just you have to switch the diagonal elements, that is 21 and 36. So you have to switch them, that is 36 will come here and 21 will come here. So these two elements, these two corners also, 24 and 33, so you have to switch them. So 24 will come here and 33 will go there, like this. The same thing you have to do with the remaining two, 26 and 31 here. So 31 you put here and 26 you put here. And finally 30 and 27, these two also switch them. So 27 here and 30 here. And the rest are as it is, means 22, 23, 28, 32, 35, 34, 29 and 25. So this remaining box is as it is, and that's done. This is your required magic square of 4x4, that is of 16 elements. Then you just draw lines like this and it is totally completed. Now to find the magic constant, we have to add and check all of these three. So quickly I will add and check all of them. So after all the total, you can see I will write the magic constant is 114, because when you will add all these rows, the 3 rows, here it will be 4 rows. So all the 4 rows, 4 diagonals, 4 columns and 2 diagonals, you will get 114. But one surprising factor is that in this 4x4 magic square, it is not just about the 4 rows, 4 columns and the 2 diagonals. You can select this 4. If you see this 4, this small box means this 2x2. The total of this 4 is also the same as 114. This 4, then this 4, this 4, this 4, and finally the one which is in the center. This also has a magic constant of 114. Okay, so this is how you make a 16. I will show you one more. You can randomly pick up any numbers. Now let's say I want to make from very big, let's say for example 101 to 116. So what I will do, you know this, 101, then 102, 103, then 104 will be here. Here it will be 105, 106, 107, then 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115 and 116. Now why I have written like this, because you know that we will be switching the numbers. So 101 it will come here and 116 will come here. Then 104 will come here and 111 will come here, because after writing you have to switch it. So then 105, so 106 you have to write here, 107 you have to write here, right? 108, 9, 110 which will be here you have to put here, and 111, so I think 111 is here, and this is 130. Okay, so you can see how, if you are not comfortable, you can write like this, which I have done earlier. Write with a pencil and then switch it. So this two will switch, this two will switch, this two will switch, and this two will switch. And finally, when it is done, you have to just draw this grid outer linings so that it is completed. This is your 4x4 magic square, and as I told you, when you will add it, just add all these row, check it and find the magic square constant. And here the magic constant, you can just write constant is 434 by adding all the rows, all the columns, the two diagonals, and successively the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This squares also, you will see 434 as the magic constant. So this trick is easier. We have seen the construction of 3x3 magic square, 4x4 magic squares. Actually, all these magic squares can be constructed with different techniques, but I don't want to take it to that level, and this is known as the Ramanujan magic square. I will show you actually Ramanujan magic square is also made using this only. So I will next show you the Ramanujan magic square. You will be able to see on my screen. In that also 22, 88, 10, 19, the same trick is there, Ramanujan magic square. So how to make it I have shown you, containing 16 elements. And one trick is this, how to make a 4x4 magic square is this is the trick. And another trick is there which I will show you, but that is in the general formula, that is, which is true for any type of magic squares. That is, let us see that trick now. Now this what I have written is the general format for making a 4x4 magic square as per the Ramanujan constant. Now what is this here? As you can see, certain blocks are there which are totally in numbers, whereas certain blocks, this one it is in a variable, this box is in a variable, this one and this one. So these four boxes are there that are in variable and depending on the value of n. Now it depends on whatever you choose n as. Now just for showing you, I will select n as 100, the value of n as 100. So then we just have to find these four elements and we have to put the value and the magic square is done. So for n is 100, n minus 20 means this first blocks will be 80, n minus 19 it will be 81, this n minus 21 taking n as 100, this will be 79, and this n minus 18 is 82. So for n is equal to 100, this 4 box will have these values, and you will see that when we put all these 4 boxes with these values, the magic square will be automatically formed. So I have written all the numbers except of those 4 which are there in this box. So here it is n minus 2. For our value of n we have taken as 100, so n minus 2 is 80. So instead of this, here I will put 80. N minus 19 is 81, so here I will put 81. N minus 21 is 79 and n minus 18 is 82. So these are the 4 numbers which are remaining in this magic square, and now let us see if it really is a magic square or not. So the total I get is 100. So total of all this means for here this n plays the role of magic constant. That is, the value of the total rows, columns and diagonals will be 100, and not just rows, columns and diagonals, as I told you, 4x4 magic square, so these 5 boxes also. So you can check any randomly, you can see this, I will add up all of them. So that is how it is done, and finally we have completed the construction of all the magic squares, 3x3, 4x4 also, Ramanujan also. So this is how the magic square is constructed, and the magic square that is constructed in the movie, it is just like this, but here in that the movie which is shown, it is simply taken by the help of only 4 numbers or 5 numbers. It is a 5 by 5 magic square, but that magic square, it is just repeated numbers, means the same concept is used but the numbers are repeated. So in that magic square you simply have to just rearrange the numbers and fill in the required. So that is just a simple one, but I have already shown you the concept of magic squares, how complicated it is. And so this is what the end of the video. Now this I think this is the last part of the video. The total 10 parts of this movie I have shown all these tricks that are possible from my point of view, means as per the best of the knowledge that I pursue. I have made all these 10 videos. This is the last part of the video. The movie is absolutely amazing. You all watch the movie also and then watch my all 10 parts to get the solution, and hope so that you will like the series, all the 10 series. That's it. I want to thank you all for watching this series. Share it with your friends and all of those who love maths, and thank you all for watching these videos.